Hello students, how are you all? Good evening. Today we are going to start with new lesson. Yesterday we studied about the noun number, correct? Singular and plurals. We studied about singular forms of the nouns and plural forms of the nouns. Today we are going to study about the gender. Okay, there are 4 types of genders given in the book, and actually there are 4 types. First one is masculine gender, second one is feminine gender, third one is common gender, and fourth one is neuter gender. These all 4 types of genders we are going to study. Okay, now first one is what? The masculine gender. The masculine gender. Masculine gender means what now? Masculine gender means male member. Okay, the person who is male, okay, or the people which are male, we can say a male person is known as masculine gender. Okay, examples are like boys, correct, man. More what we can give examples of masculine gender: king, actor, right? These all are examples of male. Okay, in Marathi we call it what? We call it purlinga. Okay, males, all males are called masculine gender. Okay, and here it is told that nouns that stands for males, nouns that stand for males, is known as masculine gender. Okay, then the nouns which stands for females are called what? The nouns that stands for females is known as, second one is known as the feminine gender. What it is called? It is called feminine gender. Okay, all ladies or all females are known as feminine gender. All males are known as masculine gender. All females are known as feminine gender. Now what are examples of feminine gender? Girls, okay, girls, lady, niece, NIE, niece. Come on, tell. Sister, but sister will come. Yes, sister. These are all examples of what? These are all examples of feminine gender, all females. Okay, in Marathi for feminine gender we call it strilingi. Okay, purlinga, strilinga. And next gender which is known as common gender, third gender which is given in the book is the common gender. Okay, now common gender means what? The common gender is used for either मेल और फिमेल. एक तर ते मेल पण असू शकतात किंवा फिमेल पण असू शकतात, पण आपल्याला माहीत नाही. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल टीचर, डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर. नाउ डू यू नो इफ वी विल से देर आर 5 टीचर्स स्टँडिंग near the class, then 5 teachers, in that some of them can be male, some of them can be female, so we cannot mention the gender of we cannot mention the gender, so it is called common gender. Are you understanding or not? We cannot say either it is all, there are all 5 males, or you cannot say all 5 females. So what we call for that? We call for that common gender. For example, teacher is what? Common gender. It can be male or female. एक तर मेल पण असू शकतात किंवा फिमेल पण असू शकतात. अशा जेंडरला काय म्हणतात? कॉमन जेंडर म्हणतात. So here it is told that there are some examples. Friend is example. Now in friend it can be friend who is male and it can be friend who is female. Okay, next one is neighbor. Now there can be any friend, it can be male neighbor or it can be female neighbor. So in this way masculine gender means males, feminine gender means females, common gender means it can be male or female. दोन्ही पण असू शकतात. एक तर ते मेल्स पण असू शकतात किंवा फिमेल्स पण असू शकतात. अशा जेंडरला आपण काय म्हणतो? कॉमन जेंडर. अँड द फोर्थ वन इज न्यूटर जेंडर, विच इज नॉट मेल अल्सो अँड विच इज नॉट फिमेल अल्सो. Understood? Non-living things are called what? Non-living things are known as neuter gender. So fourth one is what? Neuter gender. neuter gender. So what will come in neuter gender? In neuter gender, all examples will come like pen, pencil, eraser, table. So some examples are given. Nouns that stands for non-living things, and all collective nouns including those that stands for living things are all neuter gender. For example, book, table, mobile, more what you can say, chalk, pen, pencil, these all words are what, these all are which nouns? These all are neuter genders. Okay, they are not males, they are not males also, and they are not females also. They are non-living things. And there are some collective nouns also which are used as neuter gender. So in this way we studied 4 types of gender. First one is the masculine gender, means all males. Second one, feminine gender, means all females. Third one is the common gender, means it can be male or female. Correct? You cannot tell particularly if the male and female both are standing together, or for example gents and ladies are standing together, then you what you will say, there is a group of people, right? There is a crowd of people. Then you can mention how are you going to mention now what whether they are male or female? No, you cannot mention. So what you will say, crowd is what? Crowd is collective noun, right? So you cannot mention whether it is male or female. So such words are such nouns are known as common gender. And last one is neuter gender, not male also and not female also. Okay, non-living things are called neuter gender. Now here are some examples. The feminine of nouns can be formed in different ways. What is given? The feminine of nouns can be formed in different ways by adding ess to the masculine. There are some males, you can change them to females by adding what? ness. Examples are what? Lion, lioness, manager, manageress, poet, poetess. Okay. Next one is, in some cases the final vowel of the masculine is dropped before adding ess. इथे काय केलेलं आहे? vowel आहे. Instructor, o is there, o काढला आहे आणि r ला ess जोडले. Instruct, o काढला, r तसंच लिहिला आणि ess जोडला. Master, e काढला, r टाकला, ess जोडला. Tiger, टायगरचं vowel काढला. टायगरची 2 vowels आहे, आय आणि ई. पण आरच्या अगोदर जो शब्द असेल, जो लेटर असेल तो काढायचा, तो व्हॉवेल काढायचा आणि ess जोडायचा. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज द फेमिनाइन वर्ड इज एंटायरली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द मस्क्युलाइन. देर आर सम मस्क्युलाइन जेंडर अँड फेमिनाइन जेंडर्स, दे आर टोटली डिफरेंट. ओके, स्पेलिंग्स आर ओनली डिफरेंट. फॉक्स, विक्सेन. ओके, हियर examples is given. Colt is given, filly. Okay, lord, lady, stag, hint. Correct or not? Male deer is called stag, female deer is called hint. In this way, now man is called lord, the female is called lady. So these 2 words are totally different. Masculine gender word is different, feminine gender word is different. Next one, here it is told that a word is placed before or after masculine gender. Okay, now cock sparrow, instead of cock what is written? Hen sparrow. Man servant, maid servant. So in this way we have studied how many genders? We have studied 4 genders. First one is masculine gender, second one is feminine gender, third one is common gender, fourth one is neuter gender. Understood? There are some masculine genders, they are changing to feminine gender by adding ess, like manager, manageress, the lion, lioness, poet, poetess. There are some words which has vowels in the ending. You have to remove that vowels. Okay, from when you change it to feminine gender, you have to remove that vowel and add ess, like instructor, instructor. What is done in this word? O is removed, and what you have to do? You have to write down as it is that word. O you have to remove. Now what is only R is written, O is not written, and you have to add double S to it. Instructor, instructress. Understood? And here it is told that there are some masculine gender and feminine genders, they are totally different. In this way we have studied about 4 types of genders: masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Now here it is told that on next page, rewrite the following sentences by changing the gender of the nouns and their pronouns respectively. Now what we have to do? We have to change their gender and their pronouns also. Now which words are pronouns, which words are pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are what pronouns. Wherever he is there, what we have to do? We have to write down she. Understood? So here it is told that we are going to change, wherever male is given, there we have to write down female, and wherever female is given, there we have to write down male. So let us write this paragraph. Now here it is. The king, his prince and his nephew were in a forest hunting. Now instead of king, what we are going to do? We are going to change gender. The queen, his चा काय होईल? her. His is what? pronouns. Her princess, prince चा काय होईल? princess, and her niece were in a forest hunting. Okay, so let us start. The queen, her princess and her niece were in a forest hunting. Okay, full stop. Now what we have changed? We have changed queen, we have changed her, we have changed princess, we have changed her, and instead of nephew we have written niece. Okay, now next sentence is, the king was riding a stallion and his nephew was on a colt. Okay, now what we are going to change? King we are going to change. The queen was riding a stallion and her niece, the queen was riding a stallion. Stallion means what? Horse which is having place to sit behind, right? That is called stallion. So here it is told that the queen was riding a stallion and her niece was on a colt. Now what is female of colt? Filly. So what we are going to write down here? Filly. Filly, filly. So in this sentence we have changed some words. We have changed some genders. Queen, niece, filly. Next sentence is, they saw hen sparrows on the trees and ducks in the stream. They saw hen sparrow. Now instead of hen sparrow, what we are going to write down? Cock sparrow. Okay, male. It is female given, so we are going to write down male. They saw cock sparrows on the trees and drags. Drags are males, so what will be female of drags? Ducks. And ducks in the stream. Understood? We have completed till here. They rode past peacocks and she elephant looking for a fox and a wolf that had killed some of the cows. Okay, now what we are going to write down? They rode past peahens. They rode past peahens and an elephant. Now she elephant is given, so what we are going to write down? We are going to write down elephant, male. Elephant looking for a fox. Now what is female of fox? Vixen. So we are going to write down here, looking for a vixen and wolf is given. Wolf is male, so what will be female of wolf? She wolf. that had killed some of their cows. Now cows are female. What will be male of cows? Ox. Okay. After a long time, when they were about to give up, they met a witch. Now in this last sentence only you have to change this word. Instead of witch, what you are going to write down? Wizard. Okay. Witch काय आहे? Female आहे. Can you see a witch in the picture? They met a witch. Witch म्हणजे काय? जादूगरीण. आणि मेल काय? जादूगरींचं जादूगर. So what is male of witch? Wizard. So after a long time, when they were about to give up, they met a witch. Now what will be male of witch? Wizard. They met a wizard. In this way we have changed what? We have changed genders in the paragraph. Okay. Whatever words I have underlined, those all words are changed words. Okay. I have changed those genders. In this way, whatever paragraph I have written, same paragraph you have to write down over here properly. Okay. And this is your homework for today. Write down that paragraph. If you don't have grammar books, you can write down same paragraph. You can pause video and write down paragraph in your English notebook and send it on WhatsApp group. Okay. Tomorrow we will study about comprehension. Here one paragraph is given. From this paragraph we are going to find out answers. Okay. Some questions are given and we are going to find out answers of those questions in the paragraph. Remaining part of the syllabus we will study tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.